Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of a charity group in Portland that's using self-motivation and karate to help steer school children in the right direction. Kian Morgan reports.
I am beautiful! I am beautiful! I am wonderful! I am wonderful!
Character building through words of affirmation and self-defense training. A lesson for children here at the Port Antonio Primary School in Portland as they participate in a self-worth and karate summer program. Hosted by the DCS Sparks of Love Foundation, the group aims to bring unity to communities through voluntarism.
We are also trained counselors, and what we do is that we offer these services free to them, because many times the parents just cannot afford it. The importance of having someone to speak on the child's behalf and allowing that child to have a medium, an outlet to express his or herself.
Co-founders David and Samani Comrie says the program, which ran from July to August, targeted children between 7 and 17 years with a focus on improving their psychological, physical, and educational needs.
We do self-worth coaching and motivations in school to children and people within the community. We teach them about trauma. We give them, clothes, food, and we're hoping to kind of provide shelter as well in the long run.
Mr. Comrie, an ex-police officer, says nowadays an initiative like this is critical.
We're going to also go into the schools and we're going to speak to children about the negative impact that scamming has on children, the back of the classroom mentality that is being portrayed in society. We're here to tell the children that is not so.
Mrs. Comrie says learning how to manage emotions is key.
Letting them look in a mirror, and to say something beautiful to themselves, and that was very emotional for many of them.
It has helped my son. Being he's 7-year-old and he's a renal patient with high blood pressure. It helped him mentally. It helped him to calm.
It helps me to not look down on myself. I should know myself for who I am, not who I'm not.
They're more forgiving. They're ready to work out problems. And it seems as if all of them are growing up.
They just need a place to express themselves. They need to know that someone cares. And I believe that each one teach one, and no man is an island, no man stand alone.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan. A Ray of Hope.